Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a good week so far, and welcome to your daily update on Solana. We're going to do a nice and calm, full update on the situation for Solana right now. We had a bit of a pullback over the last like 8 hours or so, which is normal. I mean, in general, like most of you will know that I'm very bullish on Solana, and I still am. But what you can see down here, it's very small, but hopefully you can see it, is that we build up a lot of open interest, aka leverage, on Solana. So that cannot keep going on forever. At some point of time, you need that to reset a little bit. And hopefully it's not a huge reset like this right here. But hopefully it's a little bit of a small reset before continuing to go up. And that latter scenario is what I expect. All right, I do expect more bullish momentum. So that's what I wanted to talk about. Now, first of all, right now, what you can see in terms of market circumstances is also one of the causes of this pullback. In general, Bitcoin is still very bullish technically, but also in the last like 8-12 hours, we dropped down a bit. And something that most of you will probably know is that the Bitcoin dominance is dropping down a bit right now, which is good. But overall, it's very, very bullish and very high. So that means that if Bitcoin gets a little pullback like we had in the last in the last day or so, if Bitcoin gets a little bit of a pullback, then that means that altcoins such as Solana, even though Solana is still holding up fine, will pull back as well. So that's kind of what you can see right now. But ultimately, I mean, if you look at the technical situation on the higher time frames, what's still the case is that we still have held and have confirmed the bullish breakout above a significant resistance level right here at 164, 162. It's technically a little bit wider than that, but to keep it simple, let's say 164, 162. So we're holding that breakout. And one other reason what I like a lot about Solana at the moment is that the fundamentals are supporting this. And the total value locked, at least according to Artemis right now, is at $7 billion. Yesterday we had some troubles with DeFi Llama and it didn't work, but it works right now. Like if you check it out right now, Solana has now more than double. Am I saying that correctly? No, not yeah. It has double the total value locked of Tron, and it has more total value locked than Tron and BNB Smart Chain combined. So Solana is doing great. I mean, if you compare to other blockchains as well, it's doing absolutely amazing. Although Aptos is actually quite interesting to keep an eye on as well. And then if you look at the DEX trading volumes, if you look at the daily transactions, daily active addresses, those are up as well. So fundamentally, I think Solana is very bullish. And I don't see a reason, like I said, I mean, the leverage is quite high. So I think it's quite likely that we'll pull back a little bit more here. But I don't see a reason why we would not get into this level right here at 185 as the next target. And then from there, I do think we have a good possibility of getting into 200 as well. But that I'll kind of leave in the middle. All right, we'll talk about that. Like I'll keep you updated on Solana here, and in the next week. I think a move into $200 would be justified if you take a look at the fundamentals. But if you look at the markets in general right now, looking at Bitcoin with the elections ahead of us, we're going to get a lot of volatility. And during those market circumstances, and with that intense volatility, I cannot promise a move into 200. I cannot promise a move into 185 either, but I do think it's quite likely given the circumstances. But those are my main thoughts. For now, I still think on the short term, it's a realistic possibility. We'll pull back a little bit lower, but ultimately I do think that the level in the worst case scenario around 164, 162 will hold before getting that move up higher. And those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.